Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file in small claims court. First, assess if your dispute fits the court's criteria, typically for monetary claims under a certain limit, often $10,000. Next, identify the correct court jurisdiction, usually where the defendant lives or the incident occurred. Understanding these initial steps is crucial before you begin preparing your case for submission. Once you've determined your case is suitable, gather all evidence like contracts, receipts, and communications. Clearly identify the defendant's full legal name and current address. Then, accurately complete the court's specific claim forms, ensuring all details are correct. This thorough preparation is vital for a strong presentation in court and helps the judge understand your claim. With your forms complete, file them with the court clerk and pay the required filing fee, which can range from $30 to $100, depending on your claim amount. If you cannot afford the fee, apply for a fee waiver. Crucially, ensure the defendant receives proper legal notice of the lawsuit through a process called service of process, often by a sheriff or private server. Before your hearing, organize your evidence and practice presenting your case clearly and concisely. During the hearing, explain your side to the judge, using your prepared documents. If you win, the court will issue a judgment. Collecting this judgment might involve steps like wage garnishment or bank levies, which you can pursue if the defendant does not pay voluntarily.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.